Tupperware, South Africa. This is a rice maker. You can cook rice and put it inside the microwave. It can serve or it can cook 4 to 6 cups of rice. Let's put it to microwave. And set your microwave to 20 minutes. Voila! All you have to do is wait. Once again, it's Tupperware, South Africa. Do you like Tupperware products? This is a rice maker. 20-minute easy cooking rice inside the microwave. Microwaveable. Let's check our rice. Who loves rice? Charwan! Once again, it's Tupperware, South Africa rice maker. Thank you for watching.